It was the most amazing experience. I grew my professional skills and also personal skills.
So my biggest takeaway from this placement was that I was able to meet a really great set of people, and I was also offered a part-time position in the company after the internship.
It is also exceeded my expectations because I thought I would be doing some very simple work, but actually I'm not. I'm really engaging with a lot of complicated problems, so it's really good experience overall.
I think for other organisations they definitely should consider interns. It's a great way of hiring, it's a great way of exploring the talent. When you've been at a business for a long time, you can become quite short-sighted. It's always worthwhile hiring fresh people and having a fresh set of eyes and things.
Some advice that I would give to another student potentially taking the course is just really immerse yourself in your placement organisation, ask questions, ask to sit in on meetings and just be proactive, because at the end of the day, the experience is how you make it to be.